In fact, Pakistan's unprovoked shelling continues to target civilian areas throughout Jammu and Kashmir. That's the latest update coming in. In fact, in the latest escalation, we've seen how Pakistan artillery has again hit civilian homes in the region, causing damage and fear amongst residents. All of this, of course, happening amidst a series of ongoing provocations by Pakistan along the LOC. And as the shelling continues, Times Now is on ground, getting you the latest updates from ground zero. Let's quickly, in fact, bring this across to our reporters. In fact, here's the latest coming in. This is Tejshri reporting from the Jammu region.
Well, viewers, that's another cowardly attempt made by Pakistan here in the Poonch district from where we are reporting right now. The pictures won't end, and Times Now will get you the ground reality to expose that how Pakistan is targeting the innocent civilians who have been staying here since years. And in fact, you see, I'm reporting from one of the house over here, which in fact was also attacked. The artilleries were, and in fact it is affected by the artillery shelling. The mortars were fired, and you can see that how this entire rooftop is damaged. There was in fact an iron window over here, but everything seems to be broken, and the damage that has been done to this entire house, it seems that it can never ever be repairable. It seems like not just one but multiple round of shells were fired over here. Then they landed, they must have hit, and then this is the destruction, the damage that they have caused to this particular house. And in fact, inside also there's nothing left. And in fact, you know, the family will have to definitely start from ground zero to again, you know, get back to the normalcy. Here in fact, we have been reporting from ground zero and have been, you know, showing you that what kind of pictures and the attacks that Pakistan has been carrying out, multiple ceasefire violations, multiple reports. In fact, we are getting you from ground to get you a real picture of Pakistan, because remember that Pakistan is targeting the civilians. Many civilians have also in fact injured in this entire attack that Pakistan has been doing. And this is in fact the first floor of this particular house from where we are reporting right now. And you see that we are just, you know, reporting from here to get a sense so as to what kind of attempts have been made over here to target the innocent civilians. And you see that this entire area had these iron grills over here. These iron grills are also completely broken, damaged, destroyed, I should say. And the attack, the intensity must have been so strong, because here you see that this entire staircase is also damaged. It is very difficult as well to, you know, walk and move upstairs, to travel to in fact move to the second floor. And this is not the condition over here at just the window from where we are reporting right now, but also in fact the complete house is damaged. Now imagine the condition of this particular family who in fact have been staying over here and has to recover from this particular damage. It definitely seems to be very difficult to recover this entire damage, because I do not see anything that is barely left even to recover, because each and every you know, a piece over here that was present inside, that is completely destroyed, damaged. And in fact these are the ground reports we are getting you to let you know that the you know, India has been attacking the targeting the terror camps multiple times. But what Pakistan has been doing is these kind of attacks on the civilians, targeting the civilians, and crying out there on the on their national media that it is their country where in fact civilians are being targeted, which is a fake news, which is in fact a fakery. But here you can see that the real picture is what on the ground, the disgusting and cowardly attacks again and again being made by Pakistan in the Poonch district, which is one of the densely populated and civilian area. And in this entire area there's no army post over here. Then the big question here is that if here we are at the lower end, Pakistan is at the higher edge, at the upper edge, then why, despite knowing this fact that civilians are stationed over here, why it is making such kind of attacks and attempts?